Hey friends, today we'll be calculating the ground state term symbol for d1 to d10 electronic configurations. As we all know that the term symbol, it is written as 2s plus 1 Lj, where capital S is the total spin quantum number and it is obtained by taking summation of all the spins. Capital L is the total orbital angular momentum quantum number and it is the summation of orbital quantum number ml, and J is the total resultant quantum number. LS coupling gives rise to the value of J, and the values of J are from L plus S up to L minus S, and this 2s plus 1, it is also known as spin multiplicity, so it is denoted by Sm, and the values of L, it will the value for all the values of L, that is for 0, 1, 2, 3, these values, they are assigned the spectroscopic terms, and that is for 0 the spectroscopic term is capital S, 1 is capital P, 2 is capital D, and 3 is capital F, and so on. So these are the spectroscopic terms that we'll be using. The method of calculating the term symbol is we have to obtain S, L and J, and then from S we get 2s plus 1, and then we write all the values. One more thing, for all the values of J, from Hund's rule, we know that for less than half field, the minimum value of J will be used, and for more than half field, maximum value of J will be used as per the Hund's rule. First, we will be calculate the ground state term symbol for D1 electronic configuration. So D1, that is, so these are the L plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So for D1 system, we will have one electron in d orbital, and the summation of ms, so there is only one electron, so the value of spin will be half. For spin multiplicity, 2s plus 1, this will be 2 into half plus 1, and that will be equal to 2. Value of L is summation of ml, so over here we have only one electron, so L will be, capital L will be 2, so the spectroscopic term corresponding to L is equal to 2 is D, and L minus S, as it is less than half field, we will be using the minimum value of S, so L minus S is, L is 2 and S is half, so this will become 3 by 2, and hence the ground state term symbol is 2s plus 1 Lj. So 2s plus 1 we have obtained is 2, L is D, and J is 3 by 2. So we read this as doublet D 3 by 2. So this is how this is read, doublet D 3 by 2. So this gives us the spin multiplicity, and this tells us about the number of unpaired electrons. For D2 system, similarly, there are 2 electrons in d orbital, and similarly the spin multiplicity half plus half, this will become 1, spin will become 1, spin multiplicity will be equal to 3. The value of L, 2 plus 1 is 3, so the spectroscopic term is F, and the value of J will be 3 minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 is 2, and hence the ground state term symbol for D2 configuration will become 3F2. Moving on to the D3 system. For D3 system, there are 3 electrons in d orbital, so 1, 1, 1 each over here, so this will become, the spin will become 3 by 2, and hence the spin multiplicity will become 4, there is 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1 gives us 4. L, capital L value 2 plus 1 3, the third is 0, so 2 plus 1 plus 0, so that comes out 3, and the spectroscopic term will be F. And similarly the J value over here, L minus S, is 3 minus 3 by 2, and that will become 6 minus 3, and that is 3 by 2. So the spectroscopic term, the ground state term symbol will be quadrat F 3 by 2. Similarly, for D4 system, again there are 4 electrons, so the spin will be half plus half plus half plus half, so spin is 2, spin multiplicity is 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. L, capital value of capital L is 2 plus 1 3, and then minus 1, so the value of L will be 2. So the value or the spectroscopic term corresponding to L is equal to 2 is again D, and L minus S, that is 2 minus 2, will be 0. So hence the ground state term symbol will be pentate D0. Then similarly for D5 system, again, now for D5 system, spin will be equal to this is 2.5, so half, 2.5, or we can take it as 5 by 2 also. So the spin multiplicity will be 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1, and that is equal to 6. Similarly, the value of L will be so we have 2 plus 1 3, minus 1 minus 2, this will become minus 3, and plus 3, so this will become 0. And for L is equal to 0, the spectroscopic term is S, and the value when we have half filled, so whether we calculate L minus S or L plus S, we will have only one value, and that will be 5 by 2. Okay, because S is 5 by 2 and value of L is 0, so it will become 5 by 2, and the term symbol is hexet S. 5 by 2 is the term symbol for D5 system. Moving on to the D6 system. Now for D6 system, there are 6 electrons in d orbital, so we have one electron pair and remaining are unpaired electron. So the spin multiplicity will be, so this is paired, so plus half minus half, this will become 0, and we have 4 electrons, so the spin will be 2, spin multiplicity will become 5. The value of capital L is, there are 2 electrons, so this will become 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 minus 3 will be 2, so capital L value is 2, and spectroscopic term associated with L is equal to 2 is D. And similarly L plus S, as now we have more than half filled, maximum value of J will be taken, and that is some mode of L plus S, so that is 2 plus 2 4, and hence the ground state term symbol is pentate D4. Then moving on to the D7 system. Now D7 system will have 2 pair of electrons in d orbital, and hence the remaining 3 electrons are unpaired, so the spin will be 3 by 2. Similarly, spin multiplicity we will be obtaining is 4. Capital L value is 3, that is, and this is, there are 2 electrons, so 4, there are 2 electrons, so 2, 4 plus 2 6, and 6 minus 3, so 3, and the spectroscopic term associated with L is equal to 3 is F, so we have F, and similarly the value of J will be 3 plus 3 by 2, and it is 9 by 2, and hence this will be the ground state term symbol for D7 configuration. Moving on to the D8 configuration. For D8 configuration, there are 3 pair of electrons in d orbital, and 2 orbitals have 1 electron each, so the spin over here will be half plus half, and the spin will be 1, spin multiplicity will be 2 into 1 plus 1, so spin multiplicity is 3. Value of capital L will be again 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, and the spectroscopic term associated with L is equal to 3 is capital F, and similarly L plus S, so this is 3 plus 1, and hence the value of J will be 4. So the ground state term symbol for D8 system will be 3F, and that is a triplet F. 4 is the ground state term symbol. Moving on to the D9 system. Now D9 system will have 4 pair of electrons and 1 unpaired electron, so this is similar to D1 system. We have a whole formulation and we could calculate in that particular manner also. So over here spin is half, spin multiplicity will become 2. Value of capital L, there are plus 1 has 2, minus 1 has 2, so this is cancel out. We have 4 over here, 4 minus 2 is 2, so capital L is 2, and the spectroscopic term associated with capital L is equal to 2 is D, so spectroscopic term will be D, and value of J will be 2 plus half, and that comes out to be 5 by 2, and hence so the ground state term symbol is doublet D 5 by 2. And the last system is D10 system. So D10 system has all the electrons paired, and that is there are total 10 electrons, so all the electrons are paired in the d orbital, and hence the spin is 0. Spin multiplicity comes out to be 1. Value of capital L, again all the electrons are filled, so value of capital L will be 0, and the spectroscopic term associated with L is equal to 0 is capital S, and again for completely filled also we'll have only one value of J. Whether we take L plus S or L minus S, the value of J is 0, and hence the ground state term symbol for D10 system is 1s0. So 1s0 is the ground state term symbol for P6 also, that is completely filled configuration, whether it is P6 or it is D10, both have 1s0 ground state term symbol. So all the 10 ground state term symbols, they are summarized in this table, that is D1, it is doublet D3 by 2, and these are few of the examples. All the examples that are taken are of aqua complex, and that is a weak field, and high spin complexes, and we can clearly see that there are pair, that is D1 and D9 have same term, only the value of J is different. Similarly, D2 and D8, again there are 3F, only value of J is different. D3 and D7, they have same terms. Similarly, D4 and D6, they have same terms, only the value of J is different. Rest all the things are same, and D5 and D10, they are excluded. So this table summarizes the ground state term symbol for all the ions that we have calculated. Hope the concept is clear. Thank you very much.